The REDTIGER F9 dual dashcam is equipped with a 4K front camera and a full HD rear camera, providing high-quality footage with its wide-angle lens and excellent night vision capabilities. With its smart app control and built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily access real-time video playback and GPS information, allowing for seamless control of the dashcam. The dashcam features a G sensor that automatically saves and locks video files when triggered, along with a 48-hour parking monitor to keep your vehicle secure. Loop recording ensures continuous video capture, and the included 32 gigabyte card can be upgraded to support up to 256 gigabytes for ample storage. Designed with user convenience in mind, the REDTIGER F9 automatically powers on when driving, and its one-click lock feature makes managing recordings straightforward. The innovative bracket design and supercapacitor enhance the dashcam's ease of use and reliability, making it a valuable addition to any vehicle.